Where we start? Oh, yeah, I forgot. So, what's up, grand YouTubers? I'm Crapmine. In today's video, you already see my YouTube community tab that it said I gave up. The real thing is, I truly gave up. And even worse, I'm going to leave the granny community. I know it's hard, but there's nothing I can do. And I'm very sorry that why I'm leaving in the granny community, because I can't take it anymore. There you have it. I got face reveal. And that's all it is. I don't know what to say. But doors. On July 10, 2024, I will come back. And I will not online in Discord for 3 weeks. Yeah. That's all the news. I don't know.